Today I will be walking you through how to safely straight line back a tractor trailer. Many other types of backing maneuvers end with a straight line back, so this is a critical skill for drivers to know. Start by positioning your truck and trailer in a straight line. Then get out and look. And while you're out looking, make sure that there are no obstacles or obstructions in your path. If you're not aligned correctly from the start, it will be difficult to correct while backing. Next, turn on your four-way flashers and sound your horn to alert anyone around you. Then, put the vehicle in reverse and begin backing at idle speed. Maintaining a slow and steady pace gives you more time to adjust if needed. During your back, you must use your mirrors to continuously check both sides of the trailer and make sure it stays straight. Aim with your driver's side mirror and scan with your passenger side mirror. You must also check to make sure that there are no pedestrians or vehicles that are in your path while backing. If the trailer starts to drift, make small corrections with the steering wheel. You should adjust immediately, but do not oversteer. Oversteering can lead to bigger corrections or having to start again. That said, if you catch the drift right away, only small adjustments are needed. Do only a quarter or half turn of the wheel to avoid oversteering. Hold that new position for a few seconds until the trailer straightens, then straighten the wheel again. To correct a drift, you need to turn towards the trouble. If you see your trailer getting bigger in one of your mirrors, you need to move the steering wheel in that direction. This will force the trailer to move in the opposite direction. For example, if you see the rear of your trailer drifting right, steer to the right. If it starts to drift left, steer left. If you are drifting too far, pull up straight and start over. Remember to get out and look if necessary. That completes our tutorial on how to properly straight back a semi-truck. As always, remember to like the video and subscribe to get even more truck driving content.